Hello, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to share you how I crimp my wig. For me, there is no wrong or right way to do it. And here I will explain to you every crimp technique and what it's used for. Here I'm using a dark brown hair to show you the crimp texture. Because the darker the color, the more visible the texture will be. I have two crimp iron. The big difference is the size. I'm using the small one for a wig with short hair and big one for long hair. This iron comes only with just on and off power button. Not a high-end product, but I'm using this tool more than 2 years. And be careful, this tool did not have temperature controller or some system to prevent overheating. Now let's begin with the small iron ones. There is two ways to do crimp. Some people said that this is wrong way to crimp because this leave a crimp marks that some of you find this so annoying. But let me suggest you a new POV. If your crimp leave some crimp marks, you should know that every crimp marks will disappear when you use the crimped hair for making heavy or fluffy spikes. So there is no problem with any method you crimp your hair. But if you are going to make a small detail with small natural spikes and non-hard wig, you should use my next technique. So my next technique to crimp hair is like this. Be more active with your iron. Don't stay for heating the hair until the hair making the crimp shape like your iron shape. And this technique is to make sure that your hair get the texture but preventing the crimp marks stay on the place. When we go deeply with using light, my second technique is leaving less crimp marks that some of you guys find it so annoying. But I must agree that this technique is spent a lot of time to do, especially if you have a long hair to do. Oh my god, this will be another hell to do. But I have some solution for you guys who already leaving a crimp marks and you want to make the marks less visible. You can take your iron stem and hit it with that until the marks less visible. Now let's crimp with my other crimp tools. This one has temperature setting but did not have overheating system. So you have to aware when your iron is overheating. And to be honest, this one is my favorite tool for crimp because it comes with nice and handy grip. As you can see, if you stay too long in same place, you will leaving a cream marks. I'm not going to say it's bad because I often do this kind of crimping technique for some wig styling. You can make the cream mark less visible with iron steamer, but I have to admit that some people maybe didn't have this iron steamer, or some problem using these tools is high voltage and kinda expensive tool to buy. Now I'm showing you my second technique. Now you learn a new technique to cream your wig.